Hi, John Kalinowski here to tell you about my new presentation for the 2021 NGH Virtual Convention. It's called Add Quality Years to Your Longevity with Self-Hypnosis. It's about undoing the negative perceptions of aging before they become harmful self-perceptions in later life, and also about protecting against negative perceptions projected by others. In this presentation, you will identify your self-perceptions of aging by completing a personality survey. You'll also explore your feelings towards 9 self-perceptions of aging which affect longevity according to Yale University studies. And you will create powerful positive visualizations designed for self-hypnosis to overcome negative self-perceptions and also shield against the negative influences of others. Together, let's build pathways to quality longevity for you to internalize during daily self-hypnosis and also to externalize throughout the activities of daily life. Thanks for watching, and be sure to join me here at the 2021 NGH Virtual Convention to add quality years to your longevity.